What if I told you there's a single skill that could revolutionize your life? Imagine having the power to navigate the complexities of our rapidly changing world with confidence and clarity. Today, we're delving into the realm of artificial intelligence, AI, to uncover the answer to this question. Join me on a journey to explore how mastering this skill has the potential to reshape industries, unlock new opportunities, and ultimately change your life forever. So without any further delay, let's get started. The promise of AI revolution. Every day, we're bombarded with promises of AI's transformative potential. But what does this mean for our daily lives? Let's unpack this. Imagine a world where mundane tasks are automated, where data is harnessed to predict outcomes, and where innovation knows no bounds. This is the promise of the AI revolution. From healthcare to transportation, AI is poised to revolutionize every facet of our society, unlocking new levels of efficiency, productivity, and creativity. Already we see glimpses of this future: self-driving cars navigating city streets, virtual assistants scheduling appointments, and predictive algorithms optimizing supply chains. The possibilities are endless, and the implications profound. Yet, amidst the excitement, questions linger about AI's ethical implications, its impact on employment, and its potential to exacerbate inequalities. As we navigate this brave new world, it's crucial to tread carefully, ensuring that AI serves humanity's best interests and fosters a more equitable and sustainable future. Tangible impact of AI in real estate. In the realm of real estate, AI isn't just a futuristic concept, it's a tangible force reshaping the industry landscape. Picture this: AI algorithms sifting through mountains of data to pinpoint the perfect property investment, predicting market trends with uncanny accuracy, and empowering buyers and sellers with unprecedented insights. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of AI in real estate today. From property valuation to predictive analytics, AI tools are revolutionizing how transactions are conducted, streamlining processes, and democratizing access to information. Entrepreneurs like Alex, who leverage AI in their businesses, showcase its transformative potential, unlocking new opportunities and driving growth. As AI continues to evolve, its impact will only deepen, offering both challenges and opportunities for industry professionals and consumers alike. It's a brave new world of real estate, one where AI is not just a tool, but a game changer. Exponential growth of AI adoption. The exponential growth of AI adoption parallels previous technological revolutions, such as the advent of the internet and mobile technology. Just as these innovations transformed industries and daily life, AI is poised to do the same on an unprecedented scale. From healthcare to finance, AI applications are proliferating, revolutionizing how businesses operate and how we interact with technology. This rapid adoption is fueled by the promise of AI to enhance efficiency, improve decision-making, and drive innovation. However, with this growth comes challenges, including ethical considerations, privacy concerns, and the need for upskilling the workforce to adapt to AI-driven environments. Despite these challenges, the momentum of AI adoption shows no signs of slowing down. As more organizations recognize the potential of AI to gain a competitive edge and address complex problems, we can expect to see its influence permeate every aspect of society in the years to come. Democratizing access to real estate data. In the past, accessing real estate data was reserved for industry insiders with specialized knowledge and resources. However, with the advent of AI, access to this valuable information is becoming increasingly democratized. AI-powered platforms like Realis are leveling the playing field, empowering individuals with tools to make informed decisions about where to live and invest. By aggregating and analyzing vast amounts of data, these platforms provide users with insights into property values, market trends, and neighborhood dynamics. This democratization of real estate data not only benefits consumers, but also fosters transparency and competition within the industry. Now, individuals from all walks of life can leverage AI to navigate the complexities of the real estate market, whether they're first-time homebuyers or seasoned investors. As AI continues to advance, we can expect even greater democratization of access to real estate data, paving the way for a more informed and inclusive housing market. Revolutionizing real estate with AI. AI is revolutionizing the real estate sector by fundamentally changing how transactions are conducted and properties are managed. Through advanced algorithms and data analytics, AI enables users to explore properties, assess their value, and predict market trends with unprecedented accuracy. Imagine being able to find your dream home or investment property with just a few clicks, aided by AI-powered platforms that consider your preferences and budget constraints. Moreover, AI streamlines the property management process, optimizing tasks such as maintenance scheduling and tenant selection. This revolution isn't just making real estate transactions more efficient, it's also making them more accessible. With AI democratizing access to information and tools, individuals from diverse backgrounds can participate in the real estate market with confidence. As AI technology continues to evolve, its impact on real estate will only deepen, reshaping the industry and creating new opportunities for buyers, sellers, and investors alike. Realis, transforming the industry. Realis stands as a testament to the transformative power of AI in the real estate industry. By digitalizing real estate markets and providing free access to data, Realis is reshaping the landscape of the industry. Through AI-driven analytics, users can make informed investment decisions, optimize their portfolios, and navigate the complexities of the market with confidence. Realis's innovative approach not only enhances transparency and efficiency, but also empowers individuals to take control of their real estate endeavors. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time homebuyer, Realis offers the tools and insights needed to succeed in today's competitive market. Furthermore, Realis is not just about profits, it's about democratizing knowledge and leveling the playing field for all participants. By offering free AI tools, Realis aims to empower individuals worldwide, driving innovation and transforming the way we engage with real estate. As the industry continues to evolve, Realis stands at the forefront, leading the charge towards a more accessible and equitable real estate market. Embracing AI for future growth. As AI continues to revolutionize the real estate landscape, industry professionals must embrace this transformative technology to ensure future growth and success. While the rise of AI may lead to concerns about job displacement, it's essential to recognize its value in enhancing efficiency and driving innovation. By leveraging AI-powered tools and analytics, real estate professionals can streamline processes, make more informed decisions, and ultimately deliver greater value to their clients. Embracing AI isn't just about staying competitive, it's about future-proofing your business and positioning yourself for long-term success in a rapidly evolving market. Moreover, as AI becomes increasingly integrated into everyday operations, professionals must prioritize ongoing education and upskilling to adapt to these changes effectively. By embracing AI, real estate professionals can unlock new opportunities for growth, drive innovation, and ultimately shape the future of the industry. So, let's embrace the potential of AI and pave the way for a brighter, more prosperous future in real estate. AI is revolutionizing real estate, empowering individuals with unprecedented access to information and insights. While its impact may be disruptive, AI presents immense opportunities for growth and innovation. By harnessing AI's power, individuals and businesses can navigate the complexities of the real estate market and shape the future of urban living. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Remember, the future is now, and by embracing AI, you can unlock endless possibilities for personal and professional growth. Until next time, keep learning and embracing the future with open arms.